Hello, my students. Our topic today is about question words. Kinds of question words. Jenis-jenis kata tanya. First, who. Yang pertama adalah who. Who is used to identify person. Who digunakan untuk mengidentifikasikan orang. Who can be translated into Indonesian. Siapa or siapa yang. Who bisa diterjemahkan dalam bahasa Indonesia, yaitu siapa atau siapa yang. Who is used to ask for the subject in a sentence. Who digunakan untuk menanyakan subjek di dalam sebuah kalimat. For example, contohnya, Fred is calling John. Fred is subject, is calling is verb, kata kerja, John is object. So, the question would be, who is calling John? Karena digunakan untuk menanyakan subjek. Second is whom. Yang kedua adalah whom. Whom is used to identify person. Whom digunakan untuk mengidentifikasikan orang. Whom can be translated into Indonesian, siapa or siapa yang. Whom bisa diterjemahkan dalam bahasa Indonesia, yaitu siapa atau siapa yang. Whom is used to ask for the object in a sentence. Whom digunakan untuk menanyakan objek di dalam sebuah kalimat. For example, contohnya, Fred is calling John. Fred is subject, is calling is verb, kata kerja, John is object. So, the question would be, whom is Fred calling? Jadi digunakan untuk menanyakan objek, yaitu John. The third is whose. Yang ketiga adalah whose. Whose is used to identify person. Whose digunakan untuk mengidentifikasikan orang. Whose can be translated into Indonesian, punya siapa, or milik siapa. Whose bisa diterjemahkan dalam bahasa Indonesia menjadi punya siapa atau milik siapa. Whose is used to ask for the belonging. Whose digunakan untuk menanyakan suatu kepemilikan. For example, it is John's book. Di situ kita lihat, yaitu ini adalah bukunya John. Jadi digunakan untuk menanyakan suatu kepemilikan. Sehingga, the question would be, whose book is it? Buku kepunyaan siapa ini? The fourth is what. What is used to ask for everything besides person. What digunakan untuk menanyakan segala sesuatu selain orang. What is used to ask for the subject or object in a sentence. What digunakan untuk menanyakan subjek atau objek di dalam sebuah kalimat. What can be translated into Indonesian. Apa or apa yang. What bisa diterjemahkan dalam bahasa Indonesia, yaitu apa atau apa yang. For examples, contohnya, Father is reading newspaper. Father is subject, is reading is verb, atau kata kerja, newspaper is object, atau objek. So, the question would be, what is father reading? What di sini digunakan untuk menanyakan objek, ya. Objeknya yaitu newspaper. That monkey is eating banana. That monkey is subject, is eating is verb, banana is object. So the question would be, what is eating banana? This question is used to ask for the subject. Please pay attention to the followings. Tolong perhatikan di bawah ini. First, what is your name? Is translated into siapa namamu, bukan apa namamu. Next, what are you and what do you do to ask for the job? is translated into apa pekerjaanmu. Who are you? To ask for the person's identity or name is translated into Indonesian, siapa kamu? 5. Which? Which is used to ask for a choice. Which digunakan untuk menanyakan suatu pilihan. Is translated into Indonesian, yang mana? For example, situation. Your friend has 2 cars, a BMW and a Jaguar. Then he asks you, which car do you like? The 6th is why. Why is used to ask for the reason or purpose of doing something. Why digunakan untuk menanyakan suatu alasan atau tujuan dalam mengerjakan sesuatu. Is translated into Indonesian, mengapa? For example, they study hard because they want to pass the exam. As we can see in the sentence, the reason is because they want to pass the exam. So the question would be, why do they study hard? The 7th is when. When is used to ask for the time the event or situation or activity happens. Is translated into Indonesian, kapan? For example, father is reading newspaper now. Di situ yang digaris bawah adalah kata now. Now adalah waktu. Kapan peristiwa itu terjadi? So, the question would be, when is father reading newspaper? Kapan ayah sedang membaca koran? Next is where. Where is used to ask for the place or location. Is translated into Indonesian, di mana atau kemana. For examples, Andy is watching TV in the living room. So the question would be, where is Andy watching TV? Next, that man will go to America. Where will that man go? The 9th is how. How is used to ask for the condition or the way to do something. Is translated into Indonesian, bagaimana? For examples, first, Andy's sister is fine. Saudara perempuannya Andy baik-baik saja, atau saudara perempuannya Andy sehat. Yang digaris bawah adalah kata fine. So the question would be, how is Andy's sister? Bagaimana keadaannya saudara perempuannya Andy? The second is, they go to school by bus. Mereka pergi ke sekolah naik bis. Yang digaris bawah adalah kata by bus. So the question would be, how do they go to school? Bagaimana cara mereka pergi ke sekolah? A. How many? How many is used to ask for the countable nouns. Digunakan untuk menanyakan kata benda yang bisa dihitung. Is translated into Indonesian, berapa banyak? For example, there are 42 students in this class. Yang di garis bawah adalah 42. Bisa dihitung ya. So the question will be, how many students are in this class? B. How much? How much is used to ask for the uncountable nouns. Digunakan untuk menanyakan kata benda yang tidak bisa dihitung. Is translated into Indonesian, berapa banyak? For example, I need 5 glasses of water to make soup. Di situ kita lihat yang di garis bawah adalah 5 glasses of water. Water itu tidak bisa dihitung. So, the question would be, how much water do you need to make soup. C. How far? How far is used to ask for the distance. Is translated into Indonesian, berapa jauh? For example, my house from school is 42 kilometers. So the question would be, how far is your house from school? D. How often? How often is used to ask for the frequency of doing something. Is translated into Indonesian, berapa sering atau berapa kali. For example, they go to Jakarta twice a week. The question would be, how often do they go to Jakarta? E. How many times? How many times is used to ask for the frequency of doing something. Is translated into Indonesian, berapa sering or berapa kali. For example, I drink milk once a day. How many times do you drink milk in a day? F. How long? How long is used to ask for the duration of doing something. Is translated into berapa lama. For example, I usually sleep for 5 hours in a day. The question would be, how long do you usually sleep in a day? G. How soon? How soon is used to ask for the time needed of doing something. Is translated into berapa lama lagi. For example, we will arrive at Bandung in 30 minutes. Kita akan tiba di Bandung dalam 30 menit. So the question would be, how soon will we arrive at Bandung? The question how plus adjective is translated into seberapa plus kata sifat. For examples, contohnya, how big seberapa besar, how deep seberapa dalam, how tall seberapa tinggi, how effective seberapa efektif. Okay, that's all my students. Please don't forget to first, obey the health protocol, patuhi protokol kesehatan. Second, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, see you, have a nice day.